Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm doing a weekend vlog. The New Jersey weekends in my life. I'm gonna start off with some hair again. I did that in the last vlog, but I'm really trying to get down these Velcro hair rollers. So I just showered, my hair is wet, and I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on, blow dry my hair, and go from there. I'm gonna try it differently this time, and I'm gonna curl my hair first with a curling wand, and then put the rollers in. After I do my hair, we're just gonna go to Asbury. We're gonna go out to dinner, walk around. Really nice today. It's like 70 and sunny. So try to get outside before the sun sets because the sun sets so early now. I just dried my hair, brushing through it, and then I'm going to take my curling wand to it. As I'm curling each section, I'm going to roll it up to hopefully enhance the curl and add a little more volume. This is the curling wand I use. It's from Foxy Bay. I think I got this at Marshall's a few years ago, and it might be like a 1-inch barrel. In the front, I have these face framing angles and like curtain bangs kind of, and then the back of my hair is just all one length. So I'm gonna do the front shorter pieces first. I'm gonna be taking the small rollers in the Luxy Hair by Acquired Style roller set, and I wasn't holding the heat or the curling wand too long on the piece, and I think that should be fine. And it just comes with these clips, so I'm going to clip it in. First one done. Bangs are good. I'm going to start working on the rest. Now for these pieces, I'm just going to take the second to smallest, kind of like pulling it down a little bit as I roll it up so that it's nice and secure. I'm gonna roll this one in the opposite direction. I just sectioned off the top half of this side. I'm gonna curl the bottom half away from my face. Hold it just for a few seconds. And I'm still gonna take that second to smallest one for this. Now I'm going to be taking the second to biggest, and I'm trying to roll these away from my face. Ooh, hopefully it works. I'm going to take the second smallest for this one. Have one last section of hair. I think it's a little harder as you get to the back. I got them all in. I'm gonna leave these in for probably 15 to 20 minutes and then take them out and do a reveal. Okay, I've had these in for about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna start taking them out. I'm gonna start with the ones in the front because those are the ones I've had in the longest. I could already tell this is gonna look a lot better. We're just gonna look a lot more voluminous and curly, but I really didn't leave my hair in it so long, in the curling one. But when I tried this the other day and I just used the hair dryer, it just didn't give me that bouncy curled look. It was more of a straight look, and then it just had a little bevel, which also looks really nice. But I just wanted to see how this enhances a curled hair look. Definitely also depends on the size of the roller that you're using. The ones that are smaller are going to give you a little more of a curl, and the bigger ones are going to give you more of a bevel. So far, these have been coming out pretty easily. It's like I probably could have left these in a little bit longer, but according to Bridget for Acquired Style, she only said that you need at least 10 minutes. It looks pretty good. It definitely looks a little different than just only using the curling wand. So the ones that I wrap more hair in are the ones that can be harder to take out. This is the only one that's hard to get out. It's always like the last one I put in. Okay, that one was hard to get out. I don't know why. Like, not a single piece of hair ripped out. But that's the only one that did not come out good. But otherwise, this looks really great. I'm gonna brush over this knot that I just created. I don't know if it's just because I have very long, fine hair that gets tangled easily. But whenever I put these in the back of my hair, it always is just a little hard to get it out. But most of these were fine. It was just that one. And I only left these in for about 10-ish, maybe 15 minutes because I just don't have a lot of time. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I think this is officially my 4th time doing the rollers. This is probably the best this came out. I don't personally like to put hairspray or any hair products in my hair. It probably does make a difference if you want it to last longer and maybe have a little more volume. I feel like I've seen videos of people and they'll put like a curling mousse or a volumizing mousse in their hair before blow drying it, and that helps give it a little extra volume and it might help it hold the curl more. I don't know. I have very, very straight, flat hair naturally, so my hair definitely does not hold a curl very easily. So for my hair, like, this is pretty good. Okay, well, I think that's it for the roller hair content. I'm trying to do this so much because I'm really trying to master it, but it's so, I'm not gonna say it's like so hard, but it's definitely not as easy as I thought it would be. But I think this looks really nice. It has a nice volume to it. I like to brush them out because I like when they just look very soft. Going forward in the future, it would probably be just more practical for me to only put the rollers in the front pieces of my hair, because just doing my whole head I feel like a lot and take a little too much time. I might just going forward blow dry my hair as I normally would and then just put 1 or 2 rollers for my bangs or these front pieces and just work with that. I love how the ends have a nice bounce to them. So now that the hair is done and I tried something a little different with the rollers, then we're gonna head out and have ourselves a little night, enjoy the weather, and go out to dinner. It's a beautiful night right now. Someone's playing music on the boardwalk. We're walking back towards Cookman Ave and we're gonna see if we can get a table at Talula's, which is my favorite pizza place here. It's Saturday morning now. We had a great night last night walking around Asbury, going to Talula's. The pizza there is just so good. I highly recommend that spot if you're in Central Jersey or if you're by the shore. It is so warm out today. It's already like 70 and sunny right now, I think. It's so nice. I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of this weather and getting outside. It's going to have some breakfast and then we're going to head out for the day. This is my favorite bread from Trader Joe's, the sprouted 7-grain bread. The pieces are a little smaller, but I love this bread. It has a really nice hearty flavor to it. So I'm going to have a piece of this with some eggs. making the baked feta pasta for dinner. Baked feta in there with the tomatoes. It's Sunday morning now. I woke up a little earlier than usual, just kind of laid in bed, and I'm gonna have some breakfast. I just cleaned up my room a little bit. It's really warm out today. Again, it's like 70 and sunny, which is just so bizarre for November. Not sure what we're gonna do today. I think after breakfast, I'll just like clean up a little bit, and then maybe we'll just get outside for a bit. Maybe we'll walk around the beach. I don't know yet. Last night we made the baked feta pasta, the famous TikTok baked feta pasta, and it was so good. I don't usually follow a recipe or anything when I make that. I think I've made this around 4 times now, and I usually just use some mini tomatoes, olive oil, spices, salt, pepper, feta cheese. I always get the feta at Trader Joe's because I feel like it's a lot cheaper than getting it at the grocery store, like the ShopRite for us. That is just one of my favorite dishes to make now. It's so easy. It doesn't take too long. It just has to bake in the oven for about 35 minutes. Did a little cleaning, and then now we're at the beach. We just drove to Ocean Grove, still in the 70s.